Every year in the US, more than 33,000 crashes are linked to tire-related issues. That alone tells you one thing: tire brands matter. The right choice saves money. The wrong one can cost you far more. Today, we're breaking down the tire brands that consistently perform in real-world testing and 3 that raise serious red flags. Let's move quickly. Strong performers. Falken has quietly become a serious competitor in the performance and SUV segment. Backed by Sumitomo, they use high silica compounds for strong wet grip and heat resistance. Their all-terrain and all-season models perform especially well in snow and highway driving. Slightly premium pricing but solid durability. Cooper remains one of the best value brands in North America. Their tires are durable, reasonably priced, and backed by strong treadwear warranties. For trucks and SUVs that need longevity without premium pricing, Cooper is a smart middle ground option. Yokohama continues to outperform expectations. Their compound technology, including oil-infused rubber blends, helps maintain flexibility in cold weather while preserving tread life. They regularly rank high in customer satisfaction and offer strong performance-to-price balance. BF Goodrich dominates in off-road and truck applications. Their reinforced sidewalls and all-terrain tread designs are proven in harsh conditions. If you drive off pavement regularly, they're one of the safest bets. Hankook has grown into a global powerhouse and consistently scores well in braking, wet traction, and AV compatibility. They're often significantly cheaper than Michelin, while delivering comparable everyday performance. Goodyear and Michelin still sit at the top for overall reliability. Michelin leads in tread life and long-term durability. Goodyear excels in all-weather grip and reinforced construction. You'll pay more, but consistency is their advantage. Now let's talk about caution. Fortune and similar ultra-budget imports often cut costs in rubber quality and testing. Wet traction and longevity can be inconsistent, and warranty claims are frequently disputed. Here's the bottom line. Tire performance depends on driving habits, climate, and maintenance. But brand engineering, compound quality, and quality control still make a measurable difference. Don't buy based on hype. Buy based on testing data, warranty coverage, and your actual driving conditions. Because when it comes to tires, you're not just buying rubber, you're buying margin for error.